Hello everyone! Now I will introduce the second method of MQTT custom, the script-based MQTT for you. The first step is the same. Just configure the server you need to report on here. The difference is in the dataset. And this time we choose JS script, the method which is more flexible. We can click this button. It will show us the corresponding example. We still report in the previous format. We can directly copy this script and remove the unnecessary parts. To get the timestamp, we use this script. Now we can replace this data with the variables we need. This variable is the timestamp variable we mentioned earlier. This is also replaced by the variable we want. Okay, test it. There's no problem. We will download it to the HMI. Now we use MQTT-FX to subscribe to the topics released by HMI. Okay, let's change its value. You can see that the data has become 33.2. And this is our script-based MQTT custom. It is more flexible. Let us know in the comments section what you want to know. See you next time! Haiwell, leading the new era of IoT.